Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to design email signature for Gmail ID. So if you want to design a email signature for your Gmail ID, so it is very easy and free. So what you have to do, first you have to just search for canva.com. Okay, and you have to sign up if you haven't used Canva till now. So you have to just uh, sign up for that, and you will see like this. Now here you have to search for email signature. Okay, now search for it. So when you search for it, here you will see many templates, email signature templates which you can use. So choose one of them. Some of them are free and some of them are paid, so you have to just choose a free one. Okay, so like this, if I like this one, so what you have to do, just click on that and now click on customize this template. Okay, so when you click on customize this template, now you can choose you can upload your photo here. Okay, so just click on delete. So when you click on delete, it will ask for two options, delete image or delete frame. So you have to just click on delete image. Okay, now here you can add your image. Okay, so what you have to do is just upload your image here. You can upload your image from here. Okay, so just go there and click on upload files. And so when you click on upload files, you can upload your photo. Okay, so right now I don't have any photo, so I want this one. Okay, so you can just over here and you will see this like this. You can upload your photo here, and then you can choose your name. So I'm going to you can edit your name. Just double click on it. Okay, you can change the color from edit this text from here. You can change the color. Okay, just select and you can change. Okay, like this. And here you can just double click on it and edit it also. Change the numbers. You can change your email ID. You can change the email ID, this one and this one. Okay, you can add anything else. If you want to add any other text, you can just click on text and just select this one, and you can place it anywhere you want, like this. Okay, and if you want to undo anything, okay, so what you have to do, here you will see options, this or command plus Z or control plus Z. Okay, you can undo anything, and like this you can select, you can change the color, whichever part you want to change, you can change the color. Okay, so like this you can change or upload your photo, all these things. Then you can just download here. Just click on share, and here you will see download option. Just click on it and download it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upload it. So now email signature, I'm sorry, email signature. Okay, click on save. Now I'm going to upload it. Okay, so to upload here, you have to just click on inbox, and now you have to log in your account, and then you will see like this. Now you have to click on setting, and here you will see all settings. Click on it, then you have to scroll down, and here you will see you can delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete this one and also this one. Now click on create new, design, email signature. Click on create. Now you have to just insert image. Now click on upload, select from your device. Now click on open and wait for a few seconds, like this. Okay, Now what you have to do, just here click on save changes. So like this you can uh, create and design your email signature and also upload it on Gmail. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.